Oh, yep. Got him. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? Today I'm at this little creek and I decided to come down here now that it's warming up a little bit. And I've been here a good bit in the past and I've caught some dollar sunfish and spotted sunfish. And the dollar sunfish I've caught out of this creek are some of the most beautiful fish I've ever seen, and there's a good bit of them. So we're gonna throw around a little gulp worm today under a float and see if we can get some bites. Guys, I don't know if you can see it, but right there in the water below me, there's a big, there he goes, look at that snake right there. Couldn't find his way out. Guys, look at this little crawfish I just found. I walked up to a spot in the creek and there were tons of them everywhere. And he's actually got a soft shell, so we're gonna put him back. I'm not gonna keep him for bait or anything. And I looked on Google Maps, and this creek has no beginning or end. It doesn't flow from a lake or another river that I could find, so I don't know where all these fish and stuff come from, but I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna catch them. So let's see how we can do. Guys, I just had to get in the grossest water you could possibly imagine, but I got this little crawfish, so we're gonna put him on for bait. Oh, there goes some fish, guys. Decent sized fish. Oh yeah, he's over here now. Just gotta find him. Oh, I got one, guys. I got one. Oh no, we had one. I'd rather that than nothing. So let's see if we can get him to bite again. Oh, yep. Got him. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, guys, look how beautiful that fish is. Wow. And I believe this is a dollar sunfish. I've never seen these anywhere except for this creek, which I don't know why, but I don't even know where the creek comes from or where it ends, but I'm happy it's here because look at that fish. Wow, that is unbelievable. Even the dorsal fin is a mix of bright orange and bluish green. So pretty. We're gonna let this guy go and see if we can catch a few more. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a new bait on, and I'm using the gulp worms. They're artificial worms that are extremely scented to imitate a real worm, and this is basically all I use for little fish, especially sunfish. I have nothing bad to say about this bait. It's incredible, it's cheap, you can keep it a very long time. I've had this one probably over a year, and time again, it proves to be a fish catcher. So let's go ahead and rig them up and see if we can catch another. I wasn't able to catch any more after that $1 sunfish yesterday, but it's the next day, it's beautiful weather, and the creek is actually looking a little more clear than it did yesterday. So we're gonna stick with the same setup with the gulp worms, and let's see if we can catch some fish. Oh, yep. Got one, guys, got one, yes. Oh my goodness, look. Guys, look how pretty this fish is. Unfortunately, he has a weird kind of growth on the side of his gill plate, so we're gonna let him go real quick and see if we can catch a few more. Yes. Got him, yes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this fish. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my word. How is that even real? Guys, look at how beautiful that fish is. I just still cannot get over that these fish live in this little creek. I think this is the biggest one I've caught too. I believe this is also a dollar sunfish. So we're gonna let him go. I'm gonna make sure you can get bigger. Wow, yeah, you can really see the colors on this thing with the sunlight. Wow. All right, yeah, let's get him back in the water.
All right, guys, that is the video. I had a great time fishing at that little creek, catching those little dollar sunfish and even that little green sunfish. And if you guys enjoyed watching me fish there, I would gladly go back to catch some more, maybe some new species, some more dollar sunfish. I've caught spotted sunfish there in the past, so I can catch some of those as well too, once it starts warming up probably. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And if you watched this video all the way to the end, I really appreciate that as well. So thank you to everyone who watches my videos and subscribes. It means the world. I love fishing. So I love being able to produce content so other people can watch it. And I will see you guys in the next fishing video.